Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 20th. Is it? No, 19. Day 19 of the day. Man, I have no words to say. February 9, whatever. Uh, hit the like button, the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about today's poem. Maybe my brain is not working today, but fortunately, we have a easy poem today. So let's get right to it. Today I just kind of did more rehab stuff on my shoulder. Getting it, I mean, it is a lot better. I mean, I think I'm not, making faces when I'm doing this anymore. So, nothing too serious. It's just a little bit of pain. Nothing unmanageable for now. Knock on wood. So yeah. Let's take a look at today's easy poem and then I get good debate. Okay, given binary string S, return a number of non-empty substring that has the same number of 0 and 1s, or the 0 and 1s are grouped together consecutively. Number of non-empty substrings. Oh, substrings, yeah. Okay. Um, I mean, there are a couple of ways you can think about doing it. Oh wait, maybe I misunderstood it. Oh, 10 to the 5th. I mean, yeah, you just kind of almost like a sliding window, I suppose. Um, oh wait, am I? I think I'm like not understanding this form at all. All right, let me read this again. I think I'm just like confused about this, even though it is easy. So, and I think it should still be easy. It's just finding about streaks of zeros and streaks of ones together, and then counting. Within each of those, there'll be multiple. But that seems a little bit harder than I would have expected, honestly. But that's fine, right? Um, yeah, I don't know. There are a lot of ways you can do it, but it is a little bit tricky. I think the way that I would just write it is maybe just put together groups of things together, right? I know there's a group by function, by the way, but this is easy, and I want to kind of just demonstrate how I would do it um, without using a group by, because I think that would be pretty straightforward. But we basically would implement at least a group by. So maybe we have groups to do, right? So yeah, and it doesn't matter if it's zeros or ones, but we would maybe write something like, so we just group them together whether they're based on echoing to the first character, say. So I don't know if that's really the whatever, but maybe that's fine, right? So streak right? So four and maybe not the first character. Maybe that's fine, right? Oops, meant to write none. Right, so then now an S, right? If current is equal to C, then increment by streak. Else streak is equal to 1, current is equal to C, and yeah, right? And of course, when you reset, we just do groups that append previous streak, assuming that it is not 0. Right? Something like that. And then also once at the end. So it's kind of actually messy. Right? So something like this. And then now, and of course, I do this a lot, but and what I'm doing here is just to kind of almost like a unit. It's not quite unit testing, and it's not quite. It's maybe unit verifying. I don't know, because maybe you'd even put this in a helper function, right? So I'm just verifying this what I want it to be, and it's 2222. And the idea here should be just pretty straightforward, because now we want to look at adjacent groups and then just take the min of those in terms of count. The reason being that, for example, this is 2, that means that it has 2 of them because it contains a 1 as a subset, right? Because you got 0, 1 and then 0, 0, 1, 1, so, and then so forth all the way to the minimum number, right? In terms of the number of things that pair. So you can maybe do like, I don't know, and this is to look at like adjacent things, right? There's a bit cleaner way to write that, but maybe, I don't know. And that's really it, hopefully. And I didn't misunderstand this problem too much. kind of annoying and kind of tricky for an easy one, honestly. But at least in terms of, I don't know. And obviously, if you use group by, then you could skip this. But and that part is easy to make mistakes for sure, especially if you didn't have to do it. But anyway, that's it. Just gonna keep it short today. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.